welcome to my channel. If you're new here, my name is Anh. I make and remake a lot of cute things, so if you like my creations, please like and subscribe. Today's video is super exciting because we're gonna be crocheting Tyla's skirt. You probably know Tyla. She's super famous with her song Water, and I really like her style of music. One day I was scrolling through Instagram reels and I saw this reel from a fan account of her wearing a super cute skirt, and that moment it just made me go, I need this. All credits go to Tyla and the creator of this skirt, so let's get into making it. First thing first, we need to take a close look at this skirt to analyze it. Here, so sorry Tyla, I have to zoom in your clothes. You can see the skirt is a combination of a bunch of granny squares. I had a bit of a hard time figuring out the structure of the skirt, but when I did, I was really proud of myself, and let me show you how. I need to make 20 granny squares in total. I drew them out on these pieces of paper. So one granny square equals one square over here. Once you've made 20 granny squares, you're just gonna attach them together like this. This one is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 14. This one has 6. So you're just gonna attach 2 panels like this and like this. And after that, we're gonna do a waistband all around the top edge, and I also see a collar or something like a belt on Tyla's skirt, so we're gonna do that too. I really like the color combination of the skirt, so I'm gonna keep it almost like that. I add brown because I love brown. These are all the yarn that I need. They came a long time ago, but only now I have time to actually crochet it. So I got these yarn. The colors are just so beautiful and sweet. They are 60% cotton and 40% acrylic. I think that's alright if you just want to like have fun, considering this project is not very daily practical. You know, I'm not gonna wear it a lot. Maybe I will, who knows. I did a bunch of swatches with different yarn and hook sizes, so I came to a conclusion that I would use 3mm crochet hook, and that would fit me the best because I have exactly like 3 of these going across my lower waist. If you're smaller or bigger than me, you can use smaller or bigger hook, or you can decrease or increase the number of granny squares. There are many ways to make it fit. I recommend doing a bunch of experiments and stick with the one that you like the best. I'll make this one first. This one use dark green and light purple yarn. First we make a magic circle. This is my favorite way to make a magic ring. Make a slip knot and chain 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Now insert your hook into the first loop and slip stitch. Chain 1, then single crochet 12 times around the ring. Into the ring, yarn over and pull through, and you do 11 more. Remember to crochet over the tail so we don't have to weave it in later. When you're at the last single crochet, slip stitch into the first single crochet, and our first row is done. Now we may crochet the second row. Chain 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, then treble crochet into the same stitch. Yarn over twice, pull through 2 times, 1, 2. Now chain 1, you got 2 loops on the hook, pull through both loops, ta-da, 1 petal. Chain 4, then we can make another petal. Now treble crochet again into the next loop, then chain 1, treble crochet, chain 1, 3 loops on the hook, yarn over and pull through 3 loops. Now we've made the second petal.
Chain 4 again, then repeat this 10 more times, so we'll end up with 12 petals. When you're at the last petal, slip stitch into the first petal and your second row is finished. And please always be reminded to double check the petal numbers before starting the next row. Now we will change into purple yarn. Cut your green yarn and tie 2 knots. This is pretty difficult to explain, but I guess the video is self-explanatory. Pull the yarn to secure, and now you're ready to crochet the third row. Chain 4, this is counted as a treble crochet and 1 chain. Then treble crochet into the same big loop, yarn over twice, pull through twice, 1, 2, chain 1, 2 loops on the hook, yarn over and pull through both loops. Treble crochet again, chain 1, 2 loops on a hook, pull through both loops. Now do more treble crochet, and did I say 2 more treble crochets? Yes, and we have 5 treble crochets. Now chain 2, this will make the pointy angle of the square, and do another 5 treble crochets into the same big loop. Now we have completed one angle of the square. Chain 2 and single crochet into the next petal, then chain 2 again. Now treble crochet into the big loop to make the second angle. So 2 angles of the square are 3 petals away from each other. So now we're just gonna repeat the last angle, 5 treble crochets, chain 2, then 5 treble crochets, chain 2, single crochet into the next petal, then chain 2. So yeah, repeat this until you have 4 square angles for a perfect square. When you get to the end, slip stitch and we can start the 4th row. Now we chain 4, 1, 2, 3, 4. Skip 1 loop and slip stitch into the next loop. 1, 2, okay, this loop, slip stitch, chain 4 again, 1, 2, 3, 4. Now slip stitch into the pointy angle of the square, chain 4 or 5, I like to chain 5 here, 5, okay, slip stitch into the same pointy loop, slip stitch, slip stitch, no, slip stitch, okay, chain 4 2 more times. Here you chain 4 again, then slip stitch into the first loop of the next angle. Now you're just gonna repeat this around the square. Our 4th row is now completed. 5th row, aka the last row, you're just gonna single crochet around your granny square to cover your chains of 4. So yeah, do 4 single crochets into each chain of 4 all the way around your square. Cut your yarn, pull to secure. Now your granny square is finished. It's so pretty. Now 19 more to go.
So friends, this is the second day of my skirt project. I'm still in the same hoodie, I know, because I didn't go anywhere yesterday. Anyways, your girl has made progress. I have made 14 granny skirts, which means we have 6 granny skirts left. Now it's 11 in the morning, so I'm gonna finish those 6, and if we have time before 5 p.m. because I have 2 lessons this evening. I'm a teacher, by the way. So if we have time by 5 p.m. we can join them together and make the waistband and finish our skirt. But if we cannot, we will do it tomorrow. So let's get to work.
Done. 20 granny squares. Yep, looking fire. I'm gonna change the position a little bit because there's too much white over here. Better? Okay. Okay, first I tried to join them together with yarn and needle, but apparently that didn't work because the join looks so bulky and my nice granny squares edges disappeared. So I just used thread and needle to sew the pointiest edges together. I hope that makes sense, and it worked really well.
Back panel is done.
Now I have two rectangles, one small and one big. I put them wrong sides together. Yep. Then fold the two squares on two sides of the big rectangle diagonally. And now just connect them here and here. We can now officially call it a skirt. The only thing left to do is the waistband. I just did 5 rows of single crochet into every loop around the waist, and the skirt is all done. Now we can sit back and enjoy the skirt. Honestly, I did not expect this skirt to turn out so cute because usually this color combination does not work very well on my skin color and the shape of it is not too common. But after everything is done, I tried it on and look at it.
Nice.
Cannot wait to bring it on a little vacay. I will take so many pictures and videos with it and with other handmade pieces. So if you want to see them, hit the subscribe button right now. So see you next time. Bye.